Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we learn how to work in MS Word. So first of all we have to create a new document of Microsoft Word document. This will be appear on here. Then we rename it if the topic of our assignment or any work that we have to do done in it. Then we rename it. Rename it like that. We are working on the assignment graph cycle. We type its name, then OK. Now open this document. Here a blank page will be appear, that is seen. This blank page, or when we are working in MS Word, we have to set some settings of it, like that. At the top there is an option page layout. When we click it, then here is an option margin. At the top left side, a list will be appear. When with the list, from the list we select normal. We select normal, but here is a small error. When we click here, then a dialog box will be appear. From this dialog box we set as a default, and yes, when we set as a default, then there is no need to change the setting when we are making another document on MS Word. Now we come back to home. From home, according to our APA style, we have to select Times New Roman, our language, and the size will be 12. Here is an arrow, and when we click on arrow, then a dialog box will appear. We also select it as a default because the language is Time New Roman, regular, and 12. Just OK it. And here is another option. This document only, or the all document based on normal template. Then select second and OK. Now next step is we have to give spacing to our paragraph, like that. If we have a paragraph or a page of writing like this on graph cycle, then we have to give spacing to our this paragraph. Like here is an option. When we click it, then first of all you have to remove space after paragraph. This is removed. Now give space 2.0. We do not give space like that 1, 1.5, 1.15 or any other. Now we also set it as a default. Set as default all documents and OK. OK. Next step, if we want to give header at the top of our page, then insert. Here is an option header. Then a list will be appear. Now from here you have to select Ein Torque and Ein Light. From this you have to select Ein Light. This will be appear automatically how much pages used. Then every page is given with a number, like that. This is page number 1. Page number 1 is given it. Next page is page number 2, and the page number 2 is here. If we add our title of our assignment or any document, then we write it at left side, not right or at the middle, and it must be written in capital letters. We are writing assignment on graph cycle, then we write it graph cycle. We write it, and now click here graph cycle. This will be shown everywhere. On next page graph cycle, and second page. Now the next step is, now our next step is that here is a paragraph or detail of graph cycle, but we do not write the topic at the top of our page. So we have to write topic of our assignment, like that. Graph cycle at the top of page, which is graph cycle. This is on you how you write it in bigger or in a smaller or in small alphabets. I write the topic at the top. Now when we are writing an assignment or anything, there are some rules. When we write this topic, but it must be shown at the middle of page. So we write it in middle. We write just the topic of assignment or any document at the middle, not any other thing. Like that, here is a discovery of Krebs cycle, then we write it not in the middle, we write it from the page left side here. And other are also ATP formation, it also written left side, not be written in middle of this will be not according to rules if we write in middle of the page. At the end, if we want to insert some picture, then it will be will be very easier. Insert from here. Here is an option of pictures. We can also insert picture online. If we have picture in your computer, then you can go to pictures and select from where you have saved it. If we have saved this in downloads, picture one, it will be inserted here. Now picture inserted, at the end you will give the references or anything conclusion of your assignment. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.